So it's December 11th, UK London, first snow, year 2022. Let's go. Oh, and it's like very fancy. So it looked like it started falling probably, roughly an hour now. Not sure. As you can see, it's very, very beautiful. It's not as cold as the other day. Give thanks for that. And I don't know why, but somehow some outside feel a bit brighter. I think it's because of the white of the snow. But it's like outside just feel bright. As I say, it really nice. It's not that cold, and I like how it feel. Like I prefer this than the cold days. Alright. So yeah, just take a step outside and enjoy some of the snowflakes.
What if them can't step outside and experience snow?
I don't know what to tell them. God go with
Just
them.
experience it through our eyes.
Or that, yeah. Probably tomorrow, if it's still snowing, I'll just go on the road and get some more clips. But like, this is just snow where I am.
Everywhere you go, there's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well. It's the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.